Okay, I'm going to demonstrate to you the marking up process of the circuit casing. Okay, the first step you need to have is your materials ready, which is the PVC casing, which consists of two parts. One's the top cover, and we have also the bottom base. Okay, the first step, alright, you have to refer to the drawing given to you. Alright, so the first part we're going to mark out, which is the top casing. Okay, the first part we're going to measure. You have to use a ruler. Alright, it's going to be, the drawing is going to draw to scale, so not to worry. So what you have to do is measure, refer to the zero marking. Alright, reference point. Place it, the zero marking of your ruler, place it next to the edge of your material. Going to join the two marking to form a dash line. Okay, the purpose of drawing a dash line is to indicate that this part is going to be used for bending. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, next we're going to find the midpoint. Alright, whereby I'm going to mark the circle over here. You can see this is a circle which represents the slot whereby I'm going to insert the push button switch. Alright, so next we're going to measure because alright, you've got to place a ruler next to the edge. Okay, find the midpoint, make a marking. Right. you have finished marking out the top cover for your circuit casing, next thing you have to do is going to use a drilling machine. Right, adjust the PVC casing where the marker of the circle. Do is take out your F clamp and secure your PVC casing. Okay, once it's secured, next thing you're going to do, make sure you wear your safety goggles. And okay, locate the switch which is on top of the drill bit. Press the green button to turn on. Turn on the switch. Slowly lower down. Handle. You know, give a sudden look. Right, slowly lower down. Afterwards, press to off the switch. Good piece.